Digital skills are increasingly becoming important in this digital age. And if you want to have a competitive edge over your peers, you must constantly upgrade your digital skills. If you want to equip yourself with digital skills in high demand, you should consider courses like data science, data analysis, UI/UX design, mobile app development, website design and development, cybersecurity, graphics design, video editing, and many more courses out there to help you accelerate your career. If you want to learn any of those skills and be very good at it or to get the best out of it, you should consider learning in a training school where they offer practical hands-on training. That is, you get to do more of practicals and less of theory. Another thing you should consider is a project-based learning, an institution that offers a project-based learning where you get to build a real-life project as a way of testing your competence over what you have learned. One of the most important things you should consider when enrolling to learn digital skills in high demand is a training school where a trainer will be assigned to you to facilitate your learning. A less crowded classroom is another important thing you should consider. It might interest you to know that here at Bizmarrow Technologies, our trainers are industry experts. When you get to register with us here at Bizmarrow Technologies, you get to build a real-life project before you graduate. Our classes are not crowded, and one of the most important things is here at Bizmarrow Technologies is that we offer practical hands-on training, no theory. Practical hands-on training to facilitate your learning. You can visit our website today to learn digital skills in high demand. You can also visit any of our physical offices or call the numbers displayed on your screen for more information. The digital economy is here. Stay up to date with technology by constantly upgrading your digital skills. Until I come your way again, I remain your girl, Joy. Bye!